Hi, my name is Noel and in this video I'll be presenting about ornamental fish trade and corals. Introduction. Marine fish are mainly caught from coral reefs, but related seagrass beds, mangroves, lagoons, kelp beaches, gravel grounds and other habitats are also important sources. Juvenile fish are the first choice because of their lower transportation costs. Because of their small size, they usually survive better, and they are usually richer in color than adults. Due to their color, males are also easier to capture than females. Herbivores are the main nutritional group in the trade, but there are also zooplankton, such as Chromis spp, coral, Chaetodon spp, fish eater, Epinephalus spp, cleaner fish, Gobiosoma spp, and others. The needs of nutritional groups. The marine ornamental fish trade includes more than 1,400 species of marine fish, of which only about 1% are cultivated artificially. How ornamental fishery affects corals. Over the years, people have recognized the potential environmental and biological impacts of fisheries. These include specific fisheries issues, such as overexploitation and extinction of key species, coral reef degradation related to the impact of art and the use of cyanide and other poisons, due to amazing fish, poor fishing and treatment techniques, management practices, insufficient facilities and transportation, as well as the inclusion of inappropriate species in trade, have led to changes in coral reef ecology. Ways to protect the world's remaining corals. As an aquaculture student, ways to protect the world's remaining corals. Firstly, suggest a sustainable seafood to the cafeteria of the campus. Second, start a campaign to conserve water to reduce the runoff and wastewater. Third, become volunteer to help cleanups in local beach or reef. Fourth, suggest the use of energy-efficient light bulbs to reduce greenhouse gas emissions to the university board. Conclusion. Man-made activities are the main threat to coral reefs. Pollution, overfishing, destructive fishing practices using explosives or cyanide, collecting live coral for the aquarium market, mining coral for construction materials, and climate warming are some of the many ways people destroy coral reefs around the world every day. When some pollutants enter the water, the nutrient level will increase, which promotes the rapid growth of algae and other organisms, thus suffocating the corals. Coral reefs are also affected by fuel spills, antifouling paints and coatings, and other chemicals that enter the water. Oil spills do not always seem to directly affect corals, as the oil usually stays near the water surface and most of it will evaporate into the atmosphere within a few days. Therefore, in addition to affecting water quality, oil pollution can also destroy the reproductive success of corals, making them susceptible to other types of disturbances. In shallow water, live corals will be entangled by these nets and be torn off from their bottoms. In addition, anchors dropped from fishing boats can destroy coral colonies. These changes have led to more coral bleaching events, more storm damage, and so on.